If you scratch Orkney, it bleeds archaeology. And the Ness of Brodgar is its beating heart.
This is where I fell in love with Orkney.
Absolutely gobsmacking, it's mind-blowing stuff.
That is stunning, Antonio.
It's absolutely amazing.
I dream about this wall. Perhaps I need to get out more.
I'm getting too old for this.
What is that?
I wish I could go back and thank the people who built it 5,000 years ago.
Sigurd, you've been amazing. Thank you very much.
That's beautiful.
It's just touching, very touching.
To spend the last 2 weeks of the excavations with Nick and his team. Something I'll never forget.
Become a Time Team member today for exclusive updates from our project on the Ness of Brodgar.
By accessing this, you are helping to support important archaeological research.